Think of a large list of hundreds or even thousands of numbers. Now, try to think of one value that could represent this entire set. That's where mean, median, mode, and range come in. There are ways to relate the average dataset value, also known as the central tendency. Mean, median, and mode can describe a central tendency, while range contextualizes that value. Let's break them down. The mean is the average of all numbers in a dataset. The mean is calculated by adding all dataset digits together and then dividing the sum by the number of factors in the set. The median is the middle number in a dataset. The median is found by arranging numbers by size and identifying the middle. If the dataset has an even number of factors, the median is found by calculating the mean, or the average, of the two middle figures. The mode is simply the number that appears the most in a dataset, identifying the most common occurrence of a characteristic. Some datasets don't have any mode, while others may have two or more modes. Range is the difference between the largest and the smallest numbers in a set. To find range, you subtract the smallest number from the largest. Range is important in establishing how well the central tendency represents the dataset. The larger the range, the less representative the central tendency. So why are these numbers important? Calculating mean, median, mode, and range reveals a statistically significant trend or deviation from the norm. And this is usually the first step in identifying problems, forecasting future needs, and setting IT system parameters. Essentially, these values help plan data center capacity, manage systems, perform maintenance, and troubleshoot issues.